Yeah, that's yummy, eh? Okay. You gonna burp her? Okay, there, she burped. Okay, see if she wants some more cereal. Here you go. Oh, that's yummy. Now burp her. Oh, she needs some milk? A bottle? Give her some more cereal. Where's the spoon? Here you go. Here you go. Give some to the baby. Hi. Can you wave hi? Can you clap your hands? Okay, now where's your boots? Where's your boots? There's your boots. Where's your belly? Boot. Where's your belly? Oh, that's Mommy's belly.